'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. I'm standing outside waiting for you.
Hey guys, it's me Maya
And me, Randy.
and today we are going to CLAiRE'S in the mall and we're going to look for squishies that a subscriber told us they have, and we also have a little bit of extra money to buy some things, so that is where we're going now. I wonder where Serenity went. So we are at
CLAiRE'S.
Let's go to CLAiRE'S. Yep, so we're gonna look for some squishies. Look at this flamingo.
Oh, it's a little kiss, but lip balm, right?
Yeah, it's a Hershey
Yep.
Kiss lip balm. Let's see, have a nice day. Yeah, have a nice day, guys. This was the whole vlog. Just kidding.
I don't know. I was like,
What is she doing? What are you? Do you know that these things are like pop sockets? You put them on the back of your phone. It's like a pop socket. That's cool. I'm not sure. Oh, I think these might be what they're talking about. Randy, look.
well, these are, of course,
The squishy things.
squishy.
We're not sure if they're talking about these, but these are something squishy. So we were looking, we didn't see anything else.
And French fries for life, so. I don't know.
So there is just a pink one. I think these were at Toys R Us also. Don't mind my nails. I just like took all the paint off of them.
Yeah, I don't really wear nail polish that much, so it doesn't matter.
So these are the squishies.
This is cute.
So I'm pretty sure we're gonna buy one of them. You already know what it
Maya,
is.
how much is that?
We showed you this before. I think I'm gonna get this too. And I wanted to get a purse to keep my things in because I always have things to carry. But I'm not sure which one to get or if I'm even gonna get one. I'm not sure. There's so many to choose from. There's like book bags. So I'm not really sure what to do or what to get. While she's over here doing her hair.
There's no use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play.
So we just left Claire's. We bought 3 things. We bought 2 lip balms and a squishy, and we will show you that right now. Okay, so this one is for me. It's mint truffle, and it's this lip balm. And then Serenity got the cherry one, and it's pink. If you're wondering who's recording, it's Serenity. Then we got the squishy. So that's what we got from there. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Comment down below if you got squishies from CLAiRE'S. I will see you guys next time. Bye.